Hello there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint template in just 5 minutes. So let's start, but first make sure to hit the bell icon and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, we're gonna open up a blank slide, and then what you have to do is go to shapes, and instead of one corner rectangle on top, make it fully rounded and increase its width a bit. Then you have to remove its outline, give it a fill of white, same background color, give it this 5th number shadow. Then what you have to do is just put it on top right part, and make sure that it comes a bit in the middle part. Then we're gonna duplicate it onto 4 shapes, and we're gonna put them like this. The next thing you have to do is group them, and then you have to put them into the middle and center. Then you have to ungroup them and move them a bit more to each other's nearby. Next, what you're going to do is go to shapes, and instead of rectangle right here, select all of the shapes, remove the outlines, go to merge and click on fragment. We're going to select these parts, these 2 parts, remove them, select the side rounded corner rectangles only, except those straight rectangles, give them the same shadow you gave before. Then we're gonna select these 3 rectangles that are in the middle part, and then we're gonna give them the fill of gray. And for the other 4 rectangles that are inside the rounded corner rectangles, we are gonna use the fill that is like different fill colors. You just have to use different fill colors, whatever the colors you want. Here we go. The next thing you have to do is just after changing the colors, we're gonna put this one kind of rectangle on top and the bottom part. Then send them both to the back and select all of this, give them a much darker gray color so that we can distinguish the white and the gray colors. Then what we're gonna do is insert our icons. One by one, we're gonna insert the icons. Make sure to use thin icons because they give your infographic much more elegance as compared to those that are in the PowerPoint that are really thick. So yeah, that's it. Then what you have to do is then we're just gonna put the infographics at their places. The next thing you have to do is obviously insert your text, whatever the text you want to use. This contains the title of each of the rectangle as well as the content text. So yeah, one by one we're gonna just do the same part. Yeah, so let's add the text boxes. So yeah, let's just decrease its size. Then we're just gonna put them on the other rectangles on the left side as well. And above as well. The next thing you have to do is add the numbers for each of the one rectangles. So yeah, this is the final result. If you want to give animations, you can ask me for a tutorial. I will show you how to give it animations. You can comment down to ask for this free template link.